Sneed bee collared the third. Birds have no teeth, no hands, no antlers, horns, or spines, but birds have beaks, and beaks are enough. Birds use beaks to get food, but not all beaks work the same. Small beaks peck like the song sparrow. Sparrows hop along like little kangaroos, pecking at things that look tasty. Their favorite food is dry seeds. When they find a seed, the sparrows use their short, cone-shaped beaks to crack the husk and swallow the seed. Sparrows can move their upper and lower bills from side to side. This helps them handle even tiny seeds without dropping them. Heavy beaks crush. Macaws, like sparrows, many macaws eat seeds. Unlike sparrows, macaws eat very big seeds. With its heavy, sharp beak, the scarlet macaw cuts through the fleshy green fruit of an Indian almond tree. When the macaw reaches the hard nut, it crushes it and gulps down the nutritious seed inside. With such powerful beaks, macaws are able to dine on seeds that other rainforest birds can only dream about. Long beaks probe. Hummingbirds' long, thin bills help hummingbirds reach the energy-rich nectar they need to survive. Different bills fit different shapes of flowers. The white-tipped sicklebill hummingbird inserts its long, curved bill into the curving of a Helisonia flower. With its long, tube-like tongue, the bird drinks up the Helisonia's sweet syrup and then zooms away to the next flower. Why are you laughing? Hooked beaks care. You're going to go to the principal's office. Eagles and other birds of prey are hunters, and their beaks are designed to help them eat flesh. Bald eagles feed mostly on fish. They fly low over a lake or stream and snatch their prey with their long talons. An eagle takes its fish to perch or nest. Then the bird uses its sharp hooked beak to strip away the fish's scaly skin and pick the meat off its bones. Beaks are made light. A toucan's large, colorful beak looks heavy, but it is built like a honeycomb and is almost as light as a feather. The toucan uses this long, light tool to pluck berries and insects from tree branches. The beak also allows toucans to identify each other. Unfortunately, a light beak is easily damaged. Toucans sometimes break off pieces of their beaks while hunting or driving away other birds from a favorite fruit tree. Or sturdy and strong. Woodpeckers. Woodpeckers use their sturdy pointed beaks to pound, drill, and tear into wood as they search for insects. Some, such as the acorn woodpecker, chip away holes where they store acorns and seeds. Fortunately, a woodpecker's skull is reinforced with extra thick bone. This keeps the bird from getting brain damage while it is woodpecking away. Beaks are even made upside down.
Whoa!
A flamingo's beak looks ridiculous until you see how the flamingo eats. Flamingos feed with their heads upside down, standing in shallow lakes and marshes. They draw water through their beaks by using their muscular tongue as pumps. Special strainers in the back filter out the tiny plants and animals that flamingos eats. Pigments in these foods give flamingos their bright, dizzying colors.
Wow.
I love flamingos.
We're going to stop here for now. And we're gonna go back over the birds. Alright. You guys remember the song Sparrow?
Yes!
That's first bird. Song sparrows eat seeds and insects.
Ew.
My brother eats insects.
Ew, that's nasty.
Extra protein.
Yes.
So you can you see his beak? And it's nice and tiny, but it's pointed so that they can pick up the seeds, right?
Yes.
Good job. Macaws. Are all macaws this color?
No.
The book had a red one.
Exactly. Good job. Good observation. Macaws eat a variety of foods, including seeds, nuts, fruits, palm fruits, leaves, flowers, and stems. So their beak looks a lot different than the sparrow, right?
Yes.
What's different about it?
It goes over.
It's like a hook. Like,
Very good.
pew.
It is like a hook, and it does go over the other one. Is it sharp?
Yeah, at the bottom.
Very good. It is sharp. So, what do you think they do with their beaks? Or do they tear into flesh? It is sharp, so do they tear into flesh?
No.
Very good. They don't. They only eat fruits and seeds. What is that?
The hummingbird.
Hummingbird.
Do we have hummingbirds here in Texas?
Yeah.
Yes.
In the house.
Some at your house?
Yeah, we put a feeder and it comes to drink.
What do you put in the feeder?
Sugar.
Very good.
Ooh.
They eat a combination of nectar from flowers and small flying insects. So did you know that hummingbirds have a really long tongue?
No.
It was in the book. It said it was a two-shaped
Yeah, we
tongue.
did. I remember.
And this is the eagle.
That one eats the fish.
It does eat the fish. What about it tells you that?
The pointy beak.
And it's hooked.
Very good.
Hooked.
Very
Pew,
good.
pew,
The pointy beak and it's hooked. It eats mainly fish, but they eat a variety of other animals and even birds.
They eat other birds.
Ooh.
Mhm.
That's not nice.
Do
Ew.
you remember what this bird's called?
A toucan.
A toucan. Has anybody seen George of the Jungle?
Yes.
Yeah, I have.
What was his name?
Tookie Tookie.
Tookie Tookie.
You just said
Good
George.
job. Toucan birds eat primarily fruits and insects, but some varieties like the taco are known to eat younger birds, lizards, and eggs.
Ew. What kind of eggs? Sorry.
Bird eggs. What kind of animals lay eggs? Usually.
Birds.
And reptiles.
Ooh.
And chickens.
That's a bird. Good job.
You're that kid. Woodpeckers.
Good job.
I watched the cartoon named Woody.
And it pecks at the tree like.
Very good. So, do you remember what they do in the book?
They eat the tree, the insects in the tree.
Very good.
And they have that skull, right?
Uh-huh.
That keeps them something
Exactly.
protected.
Yes, to keep them protected.
Because their head's always moving.
So they dine mostly on insects, but will also eat acorns, nuts, fruits, sap, berries, and pine seeds. Do you guys know what sap is?
Isn't it from like?
The trees? Their juice?
Yeah. Yep.
You like syrup on your pancakes?
Yeah.
Ew.
Waffles?
Yeah.
That's sap.
Sorry.
Syrup is made from sap. Like maple syrup is from
Oh.
Oh.
Wow.
Ooh, what bird was this?
A flamingo.
Do you
Flamingo.
remember what makes their feathers that color?
The thingies they eat.
Good job, that's right. What they eat. So flamingos eat blue, green, and red algae, diatoms, larval, and adult forms of small insects, crustaceans, mollusks, and small fish as their main diet. Do you guys know what larval are?
Like baby worms?
Mm-hmm. Very good. What about crustaceans or mollusks?
Like
Lobsters.
Good job, lobsters.
Oh,
Lobsters are
wow.
Crustaceans. What about mollusks? Does anybody know what a mollusk is?
They're the
Clams.
shells.
Very
Those.
good. Shells. Very
Oh,
good.
really?
All right. So for our activity,
So I was really clearing my throat. Sorry.
for our activity, I have some Play-Doh, and I'm gonna give you a bird. I'm gonna give you a bird, and on what your bird is gonna have its picture, and it's also gonna tell you what it eats.
Thank you.
You're gonna take the Play-Doh. Y'all, I want these back. You're gonna take the Play-Doh and you're gonna form the beak for your bird. You're gonna create the beak for your bird. When you're done, you're gonna come up to the front of the class and you're gonna present. So you'll put your picture down and you'll put your beak next to the picture, and then you'll explain why their beaks are made that way and what they eat.
All right. Play-Doh.
It makes my hands smell nice
Yeah.
and soft.
I like eating it.
Pick color, any color.
I want purple.
I want everything.
Okay, you guys, this Play-Doh, what are we doing with it?
We're eating it.
No, we are not eating it. This does not go in your mouth. Loretta, it does not go in your mouth.
Oh man.
Because we're going to be safe. So we're not going to eat it and we're not going to put it in our mouths. Okay?
Yes, Mrs. Loudermilk. Miss.
Thank you.
Just the beaks or
Just-
the whole bird?
Just the beaks. We're just going to do the beaks. When you're done, raise your hand. All right, Jaime, can you go to the front? Okay. Take your picture. Because remember, you're going to explain what they eat and why their beaks are shaped that way.
I got the eagle. Looks like this. It has a hook like that.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like it's hooked, so like it doesn't really eat fruits and seeds,
So what does it eat?
but it can eat little animals
Very good.
and fishes
Very good. Thank you, Jaime.
and fights bears.
Oh, it fights bears.
It fights bears.
Bears. I don't know about that last part. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Loretta, what was your bird?
I have the macaw.
Okay, what do they eat?
Macaws eat fruits and nuts and palm fruits, leaves, flowers.
So what does their beak look like?
Their beak is hooked, but it's not hooked like Jaime's bird, which was the eagle. I mean, it's hooked like his bird, but they don't eat the same stuff. This bird's different.
Very good. Thank you. Very good, Loretta. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Ludovina?
Oh,
Girl, please tell me I said that right. That would suck if I didn't. That would be so bad.
so I have the song sparrow with the little pointy beaks.
Very good.
And it eats insects like this
Good job.
and seeds.
Very good. Thank you. Alrighty, Veronica.
I got the hummingbird. The hummingbird speaks like this,
Mhm.
and the reason why it's like really pointy because it uses its tongue to lick the nectar, or uses also to use for sugar.
Good job. Thank you. You guys did a really good job. Awesome.
Thank you.
Okay, if you can put your Play-Doh back in the case and give it to me. The end. Ta-da.